Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to Accountant's Minute. Corporate governance is important for your clients. That is why our associated company, ESS Small Business, is presenting the Corporate Governance Network, which commences on Tuesday, 29 May 2018. Why is Corporate Governance Network important for your clients? I really believe that company directors of small, medium enterprises need to develop a better understanding of the corporate law and other business issues that relate to performing the duties of a company director. And similar requirements also apply to those clients that you have that are involved as committee members in not-for-profits, charities, or sporting organisations. There's a need for directors and committee members to be aware of the legislation, to understand best practice, and to understand the ethics of running business entities, whether they're companies, not-for-profits, charities, or sporting organisations. This is why we are presenting this series, which hopefully will be able to be developed next year into a series that you accountants yourselves will be able to present to your clients if you wish. In the first instance, of course, directors are responsible for setting the scene, for deciding on the corporate culture, planning the strategies for a business. But then they need to appoint a CEO or general manager to operate the business. But then it's very important that the directors or committee members implement policies and processes whereby they can monitor what is happening within the business. If there's any lesson so far coming out of the Bank Royal Commission, it is that there is an expectation that directors of companies and also committee members of not-for-profits, charities, sporting organisations will implement processes whereby they are able to continue to monitor the actual performance, not just accept without any independent review what is being told to them. So this means they need to develop an awareness of what is happening on all things legal, whether it's the Companies Act, the Association in Corporations Act, taxation, workplace health and safety, Fair Work Australia, environmental laws, Privacy Act, overseas workers rules to work in Australia. Directors also need to be developing some financial literacy. They need to be able to read and analyse the financial accounts that are presented to them if they are going to perform their duties. There's also a need for the implementation of appropriate systems so that they are aware of key issues relating to people, resignations, accidents, serious injuries or even deaths, warning letters issued to team members, complaints that have been made to Fair Work Australia, workplace health and safety, monitoring any correspondence received from appropriate government agencies, monitoring customers, the lifeblood of a business, frequency of sales, average sales, complaints, compliments. In the market, what is happening with competitors, with suppliers, with new technology? Does the company have an innovation policy? Is research and development being appropriately recorded so that the research and development rebate can be claimed? Is the intellectual property that is being developed being protected? These are the sort of questions that directors should be asking to perform their duties and responsibilities. The Corporate Governance Network brings together a team of experienced advisors who will be communicating and supplying information to the subscribers to the Corporate Governance Network over the next 12 months from 29 May onwards. The expertise that we've assembled is people with knowledge in leadership, marketing, sales, legal issues, debtors collections, budgets and cash flow forecasts, workplace health and safety, people issues. We believe that this team will be able to encourage and inspire your clients who are company directors or aspiring to be company directors, officers of companies, or committee members or officers of not-for-profits and charities in understanding this very important role that companies and organisations have, being a director or a committee member. I also believe it will be a great training program, professional development program, for your accounting team to participate in, so that your team members have a greater understanding of the roles and responsibilities of directors and committee members in organisations. You can still register for the series that commences on the 29th of May. Please go to www.esssmallbusiness.com.au and then click on Corporate Governance Network. If you have any questions about how the system is going to work, questions from your clients, please don't hesitate to contact us. Send me an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au. I look forward to some of your clients and even some of your team joining us for this very important Corporate Governance Network. Have a great day. Goodbye.